Hello, yeah, welcome back. So in this class, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to design in Figma. All right, let me just go over to my ChatGPT. Let me show you what I just did. So you can see this ChatGPT on my screen, and this is Figma. In case you don't know what Figma is an app that you use to design websites and mobile apps. All right, so if you want to go through my pages, you will see where I teach how to use Figma to design apps, to design websites. All right. So in case you don't know what Figma is, you can go through my videos and you understand how Figma works. Now, I connected Figma to my ChatGPT. If you haven't watched that video, you can go and search for it on my page, or I will just put it on the description below, so you can go and watch it on how you can connect your Figma to your ChatGPT. All right. Now, here's what I did. This is the prompt that I gave to Figma to see. There's the prompt. Now, this prompt cost me 24 AI credits, as you can see. I say I use 24 Figma AI credits, so I won't want to use other credits again. All right, for today. So this is the prompt I gave to it. I say design a simple landing page about a cream brand called Zico Cream. Now you can see what he gave to me. All right, this is the output of that design. So let me click on it so that you can see. All right, so this is the landing page that it created. So I can open this up on Figma to go and see. Now, as he created it, now he used Figma to create these landing pages because I connected Figma to it. Now, if you click on this plus sign button, you can see I connected both Figma and Canva to my ChatGPT. In case you don't know how to do that, you can actually check the description below. I'll add the link there so that you can go and watch the video if you have not watched it before on how you connect your ChatGPT to your Canva and you connect your Figma to your Canva. That means you can give a prompt to ChatGPT. It will go and use your Canva to design it and send you the design. So it will be like a Canva format, but on ChatGPT. All right. Now this is Figma that I use. So I click on Figma. All right. As you can see, it's Figma that is here. So I gave it a prompt. All right. Let me show you how I did that. Let me just copy. So I gave it a prompt just like this. I paste it here. All right. Then click on enter. All right. So I wouldn't want to waste my. All right. So I won't want to waste my credits. All right. Because I only have few credits left because you have to pay to get credits to use the AI features. All right. So I'm just going to go over to the prompt that I delivered to it so that I will show you what this page look like. Now, this is the second page. It created two different pages, all right, using Figma, all right. And I did that on ChatGPT. Let me click on the Figma app. So let me open it on the Figma app so that you can see. All right, so it's going to open up on the Figma app. Now the design is already on Figma because what it does is use the Figma to design. Right? So let me go ahead and click on open to open the app on my phone. Alright, you can see the prompt I gave is a Zico cream. This is a landing page for Zico cream. You can see different pages that was created. Alright, this is the page one. Now I can go over to my ChatGPT for my this is my mobile Figma. Alright. Now you cannot use your mobile Figma to design. You can use it to preview your work. So then I can go over to my laptop and edit these pages the way I want it to be and do some corrections. Alright. You can see maybe there's supposed to be image here. It's not perfect, but at least it gives you a start so you can just continue and add more things to the page. All right. So in our next class, I'm going to look at we're going to use our laptop, right, to work on this page and make it look more beautiful. Okay. All right. This is page 5. These are the different pages. Right. You can see Zico. You already created the brand. You can see it's a Zico perfume. You can see how perfect it is. This is the second page. Then this is the page 2 and this is the page 1. So if I go over to you can see that it's already here. This is Zinco Cream landing page, the one I just created using ChatGPT. So you can see this. So this how to now I already have five pages created for me on ChatGPT. Then I can then go ahead and edit the page, add more features to it. So if I actually prompted it more to do more, all right, because the prompt was very short. All right, let me go back to my ChatGPT. You can see the prompt I gave to it is actually very short. All right. So the prompt is very short. Design a simple landing page about a cream brand called Zico Cream. So I did give him more prompt on what to do, design to use, and everything. So in our next class, we are going to be looking at how to make use of ChatGPT to be able to design on Canva and to design on your Figma without having to lift a finger. They will just design everything for you. So you can actually go to your Canva and re-edit it the way you want, or go to your Figma. ChatGPT is not perfect. It's garbage in, garbage out. All right. So I'll see you in my next class. So in case you want to repeat this, in case you have Figma on your phone, connect it to your ChatGPT and try this out and see.